Hi, my name's Dwayne Squires.
My name's Richard Muse.
And we're partners at Property Result Investment. So this is going to be a very short video just explaining what property sourcing is. So to give you a quick overview, so property sourcing is effectively a property sourcer linking a property investor, which could be yourself, with a motivated property seller, be a landlord or just a homeowner. Now, the services a property sourcer will provide could be as limited as just giving you a deal, or go as far as providing a whole turnkey service, from a deal to managing the legals, to managing the refurbishment, to managing that property for tenants and so forth. So it can really vary depending on the service you're looking for, as well as the individual property sourcer and what they provide. So Richard, is there any tips or suggestions or information you want to share regarding property sourcing?
Well, first of all, I would research a good sourcer and do your research. Just don't take the first one that comes along. You want somebody that has a good knowledge of the area, has some credibility. Yeah. By that I mean testimonials, and it knows the area well. That's very important. So
I think that's very important. Just to add to that, because you want someone that knows the area, but also knows the regulations as well as rules that they need to comply with, because property sourcing is no different to being an estate agent. The only difference being that the property sourcer represents the buyer, rather than the estate agent representing the vendor's interests. But there's compliance, the same compliance that an estate agent needs to go through, a property sourcing agent also needs to go through. So just be aware of that, whichever property sourcer you choose. Thank you for watching that video. If you're thinking of investing in property, have you considered investing in North East? If you have or you haven't, why not check out the full video playlist we created, which gives you the full deep dive in investing in property in the North East. Check it out.